Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Dr. Vidya's Health Tips. Here are some surprising things you may not know about the facts throughout the body. Let's begin. First one, most of you people know that the adult human skeleton is made up of 206 bones. But do you know more than half of the bones in your body are found in your hands and feet? Yes, there are 27 bones in each hand and 26 bones in each foot. Coming to the second one, do you guys know that the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney? Yes, the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney due to the presence of large liver on the right side of the body. The liver is broader on the right side and it tapers gradually on the left side. So, the right kidney lies 1 to 2 centimeters lower than the left kidney. Do you know that the human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap? Teeth are the only part of the human body which cannot heal themselves. Do you know which is the biggest as well as largest muscle in your body? Human has more than 600 muscles in the body. It is the one where you are sitting. Yes, you sit on the biggest muscle in your body, that is gluteal maximus or buttocks. It is the chief muscle that works against gravity when you are walking upstairs. Do you know that the lungs float on water? It's not something most people are aware of, but it's true. The lungs are the only organs in the human body that are capable of floating on water. When these structures are filled with air, the lungs become the only organs in the human body that can float. In fact, medical examiners use the so-called lung float test during autopsies to determine whether the baby was stillborn. The hardest bone in the human facial skeleton. There are 22 bones in the human skull. Jawbone is the hardest bone in the human facial skeleton. It is the mandible. Lower jaw or jawbone is the strongest and lowest bone in the human face. It is the only movable bone of the skull. Do you know fingernails grow faster than toenails? Your fingernails grow 2 to 3 times faster than toenails. Fingernails grow at an average rate of approx 3 to 5 millimeters a month, whereas toenails grow about half as quickly, approx 1.6 millimeters a month. Fingernails requires 3 to 6 months to regrow, whereas toenails requires 12 to 18 months. If you take all the blood vessels out of an average child and laid them out in one line, the line would stretch over 60,000 miles. And adults' blood vessels would be closer to 1 lakh miles longer. Blood vessels includes arteries, veins, and capillaries. Do you know that our nose is our personal air conditioning system? Our nose is our personal air conditioning system because it warms cold air, cools hot air, and even filters impurities. Just behind nostrils, there are multiple hair follicles present, which filters the air of dirt and foreign particles. This even helps clean and filtered air reach our lungs. Coming to the last one, just guess how many liters of saliva does the average human produce a day? Our salivary glands, which are located on the inside of each cheek, at the bottom of the mouth, and under the jaw at the front of the mouth, produce about 1 to 2 liters of saliva each day. Yes, an average human produces 1 to 2 liters of saliva each day. That's all for this video. So guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you want me to do few more interesting facts. Drop your comments below. share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified when I post a new video. Thank you all.